Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
In the last hour, we've totally revamped 4 rooms in this pub in Horsham. Martin's waiting for his fiancée to get back from a day out with her mum and sister.
So how are you feeling, Martin?
Very nervous now, twitchy.
Are you?
Not sure what our reaction is going to be. I know it'll be a good one.
Here we go. Hello. How you doing? Hello, Anna Marie. You okay? Yeah. You wondering what's happening? Come here, I'll tell you what's going on. Come here.
All right?
You're right. Okay, you wondering what's happening? I'm Claire Sweeney, and today, while you've been out for the day, the 60-minute makeover team. Can I have a look at your eyes? You can. The 60-minute makeover team have been in the house and done it all up for you.
No way.
Yeah.
All right.
We just thought it'd be the best wedding present for you. You're getting married in 10 days' time, aren't you? Yeah. And you've had a lot on your plate running the pub together. Yeah. Getting the wedding all organised. And upstairs has kind of been neglected.
He's kept that secret.
You ready to go and see it? Yeah. Come on.
What was an 80s nightmare is now a beach-like bathroom to relax in.
Okay. Showing you a bathroom. Hey. That's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, wow. Really is nice. Beautiful.
Really nice.
Completely different, isn't it?
New shower.
Oh, lovely.
No gaffer tape on it. Yeah. We had to get rid of that gaffer tape. We've saved it for you, though.
Have you, yeah?
For
Oh,
keepsake.
I've missed that one.
Right. The little lights. I saw them outside. I wonder where they were going to go.
They're lovely, aren't they?
Oh, that's unusual, isn't
Now,
it?
do you like all your wood panelling?
Right.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from? In the garden?
That's driftwood, that.
It's good, isn't it?
So you got the driftwood, the box there to keep all your towels in. The pebbled.
That's
It's
beautiful.
nice, isn't it?
And your lovely
Really,
dressing
really nice.
table. You like somewhere to get
You
ready
can't
of a morning,
stop-
don't you?
You can't stop
Yeah.
looking. You've got to keep looking at things.
Yeah. So
Beautiful.
this is your own space now to get ready of a morning. And then you've got your bathroom area as well.
Lovely.
The avocado tiles have gone. Yeah. No, yeah. Brand new flooring.
Yeah, I know.
Really, really nice.
If you can picture it before, Anna Marie, when there was all like the flowers on the wall, the dodgy old carpet, your lovely blinds.
Oh, don't.
I
Horrible.
wonder what that ladder was for. I thought it was on bunk beds.
What, there?
With a towel rail. It's lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Really, really nice.
Really nice,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Oh. Right, come on, you ready to see another room?
The lounge had clashing colours and oversized furniture. It's now a traditional and elegant sitting room.
Wow. That's nice, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Hey,
Really nice.
beautiful. Really, really nice. It's completely
It is,
different, isn't
isn't
it?
it?
It's so different.
This is gorgeous. Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Nice cherry
That's
wood.
fantastic.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And the clock.
And I've got to show you this. You got a little safe place to keep your things. This is just like a little
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
safety hole there.
That is so
Absolutely.
beautiful.
God, doesn't the room look different? Really
Do you recognise the
different.
sofa? Is your sofa covered?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Martin was saying how you like to fall asleep on the sofa overnight. It's a really comfy sofa.
We can't get on it now. All the cushions. I tell you what, I love
is
the
lovely,
furniture.
isn't it?
It's absolutely beautiful.
And the colour
Yeah.
of the room, really
Yeah.
different.
And the flowers. Absolutely. Oh,
And a
blimey.
brand new
I'll tell you
fireplace.
something, you don't notice things like the little window and everything.
A little fireplace.
Yeah, I love the logs. That is
Absolutely
smart.
gorgeous.
Mm.
Okay, you ready for the office?
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on, let's go. Too much old furniture, including a sunbed, made this a junk room more than a study. There's now a great office area for Martin to concentrate on his paperwork.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Blimey, that's
Yeah,
different,
it's
isn't it?
really
Come here,
different.
Take it all in then, can't you?
Wow.
Okay.
Isn't it different?
Yeah, that's well different,
Nice.
isn't it? It just seems a different room, but a big room now,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Really clever. Really clever, yeah.
You got your PC station there, and then that drawer at the top slides down so you can cover it all up. You've got a futon that turns into a bed, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you like the green on the walls?
Mm.
You sure?
Yeah, well, actually, when that door was open a little bit as I was coming in, I thought, oh, I don't know about that green.
Yeah.
But actually, when you're in the room,
Yeah.
it's very nice.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit
Very
funny
nice.
about greens, but I love this pale green. I think it really works.
That is
Nice, yeah.
really nice.
The best is yet to come.
Really amazed.
Do you want to go through and see it?
Yeah.
Come on. The bedroom was cluttered with junk. Sally has created a tranquil, contemporary space.
God.
That's really nice.
Isn't it? Oh, it was so horrible before.
Really, really, really nice. The fireplace fits so well, doesn't it? We could never see it before.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, your bit of handiwork in the corner over there,
Yeah.
Martin. See the lovely French
Yeah.
dresser, the wardrobe. See the paper? Same as that. Martin did that. It's quite clever, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Hey.
Yeah.
I
It
tell you
is
what, that
lovely.
guy done a good job with the paper, didn't he, in such a short time?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
But she's used a very French, opulent feeling here with all the furniture,
That's
with the
amazing.
bed. And your dresser here as well. Look at this. It's like checking into a hotel
Isn't it?
tonight, won't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, being
Yeah, yeah.
It is, it's gorgeous, really lovely.
Really, really nice. Really nice.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
You can't
So-
stop looking around, can you? Really, really chuffed.
Oh, good.
And well worth the wait, you know.
Yeah.
And all the anxiety I've been through trying to keep it
Keep it a secret, yeah?
Lovely.
Well, Sally, our designer. Sally? Here she is.
Here she is.
Hello!
Nice to meet you.
And yeah, it's gorgeous.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
So do you
It's
like
lovely,
it?
really lovely.
You both love it?
Yeah.
Well, listen, you've got a big day in 10 days'
I
time,
know,
haven't you?
10
You've got
days,
enough
yeah.
on your plate without worrying
Yeah.
about wallpaper and paint, haven't you? Okay, enjoy it and good luck for the wedding.
Thank you very
Okay.
much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
Well done, team. Sally, well done on your first ever makeover. Excellent work. So from all of us here in Horsham, bye-bye.
Anna, do you think that I've given you a good wedding present?
Yeah, fantastic wedding.
Thank you.
Good.